Blessings, bless me, curses, curse me, blessings. My name is Terry, and I hope all of you are having a wonderful night, or day, wherever you are. I woke up from a dream before where God had shown like the sun was trying to show me, because sometimes I feel quite, because the bad ones attack me and try to make me believe that, like they're always trying to make me believe that I don't help and I'm insignificant and it doesn't matter what I do because it doesn't actually make a difference and all that stuff. Thank you. Well, so sometimes I pray insecure because of that stuff. Yes. And so God is showing like the sun was trying to show me that I had made a difference. I saw some people booing and hissing and throwing golf balls and other things at some people's cars, who some of which I knew did not like me or love me, but some of which I did not know. They were very sociopathic and used to say one thing or backstabbing, say one thing or two-faced, say one thing to my face, but another thing behind my back. And there were a whole heap of well, many people and animals sometimes, and planets and suns and moons and stars and universes and stuff, which is what my name means, Terry, of the beloved common people, animals, plants, elements, suns, moons, universe, etc. He's a Emmanuel, God with us. God with us. James Love, yes. Anyway, so there are many of you who are saying, we love what Terry's doing. You think we prefer you, you're wrong. So does bad ones. We love the way she brought in that thing about us not being abused. Not her, not any of us. We love her. We love her. And I love all of you too. And thank you. Bless you. I love everyone. I love